What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Blackweb rugged Bluetooth speaker with IPX5 splash-proof rating I picked up at Walmart for $14.88. It gets 4.5 out of 5 stars out of 220 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of it, and we're going to find out if it is a worthy Bose Soundlink Micro alternative. Nonetheless, I've had some Blackweb products on the channel the past few days. I have reviewed the Bluetooth earbuds with the integrated ear hook. I have reviewed an IPX4 rated Bluetooth speaker, which I gave to my dad for his birthday. And today we're going to be reviewing the rugged Bluetooth speaker. So really excited to see some more of what Blackweb has to offer. I really like their products. I think they're of pretty decent quality, and I think they are making pretty decent claims. Let's go ahead and get into the box here. So we're looking at a 2-hour charge time, a 7-hour battery life, and an IPX5 splash-proof rating, which, if you guys remember correctly, is better than our Bluetooth speaker that we reviewed a few days ago that I gave to my dad for his birthday. That had a rating of about IPX4. It does come with an integrated carabiner clip and does have a speakerphone just like the Bose Soundlink Micro. So I just went ahead and cut the tape there. As you can see, we just have to remove a couple of flaps here, and our speaker is right on top there. As you can see, right before we pull it out of the box, you can see the Blackweb logo. Let's go ahead and get our little speaker out of the box here. We'll go ahead and remove these little inserts there, and as you can probably tell, it's a pretty decent quality plastic speaker. With this sort of rubber protective liner around it, it almost looks like a ruler, or excuse me, a tape measure, only this is really bigger, just slightly bigger, and it's a speaker. And what else do we get in the box? We get a user guide by Blackweb that says on the front, a quick word before the bass kicks in. That is sort of their motto. That's what they have on all of their pamphlets in their box. I would have to agree with them. They are pretty nice bass heavy speakers that sound terrific. So hopefully this rugged Bluetooth speaker sounds the same. So real quick before we do the sound impressions here, I just want to show you the integrated carabiner clip. What's really nice is it sort of lays in place flush with the back of the speaker, and then when you're ready to use it to attach it to something, it flips out. It doesn't bend any further than about 180 degrees. Also, what comes in the box is a USB to micro USB charging cable. And real quick before we begin the sound impressions, again, I just want to show you the bottom of the speaker.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
So as you saw, I just turned the Bluetooth speaker on, holding down the play and pause button at the top of the speaker. Very intuitive to use so far. You get an LED indicator light blinking, letting you know that this thing is ready to pair with your device. So we'll head over to settings here. Blackweb RGD A013. We'll go ahead and click on that.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay guys, so I think this speaker sounds terrific. I think it absolutely positively is a worthy Soundlink Micro alternative. $14.88, I don't think you can get any better than that. You really can't get any better than a portable rugged Bluetooth speaker. The technology is just so easy to mass produce nowadays. And what speaker doesn't sound great that is the size of this thing? Also, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but the speaker was shaking. It isn't a flat bottom. That carabiner clip sticks out just a tad bit, making the speaker a little bit unlevel on a flat surface. But for the most part, that bass is really kicking in. It really kicks in hard. It really thumps, and it causes the speaker to shake a little bit, which is actually pretty impressive. That's how impressive this speaker is, I think. $14.88, I don't think you can go wrong. What's actually better about this speaker than the Bose Soundlink Micro is The Bose Soundlink Micro has this elastic strap on the back, which may seem pretty cool to attach it to things. I think the carabiner clip is a little bit more practical. I think you can attach it to more things. That being said, my name is John. That is going to do it for this unboxing and sound impressions of the Blackweb rugged Bluetooth speaker I picked up at Walmart for $14.88. Out of 220 customer reviews, it gets about 4.5 out of 5 stars. Because I picked it up at Walmart, that makes it a big box good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this content, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.